One thing that Callie brought to my attention was the use of hyphens, and it's used here for wide-eyed, and then again on page 26, I think it was. Made up stories, and I mean, obviously I realized that they were hyphens, but the way she explained them, like how it kind of helps the reader to know that the uncle is not telling true stories. Like, I didn't really think of it that way. She also points out the different personal pronouns in there, like she and you is an example here. And it lets the reader differentiate between who is speaking. And then one thing that she didn't point out, but I noticed, was the simile, and it says, your loved ones will stand there like puddles underneath their umbrellas. So it uses like to compare two things, which makes it a simile, and that stood out to me. And overall, these just make it more clear for the reader. Overall, Callie did a great job of addressing all the specific forms of grammar.